Today I'm taking a look at the ENERGIZER TAC 300. And this also comes with a battery. So this is an ENERGIZER Lithium, and it's a CR123. Oh, that's cool. It actually has the designation for the battery right there as well. Now, the thing that makes this one stand out is just the nice small package. So I can easily fit this in a very small area. So if I want to have a flashlight that I can keep with some equipment and I want to put that in like a case or something like that, this was going to really help save on space. We do have a clip on here, and the clip does come off. We also have a tether point on the top. We have a flat bottom, so if we want to, we can set that on its end and it will stand up. It is not zoomable. They did put a rubber O-ring there on the end, so we can make sure that this is going to be water sealed. There we go. So it looks like we got 3 modes. The thing I'm curious about is if I put this down now and wait for a couple minutes, is this going to go back to the medium settings for the next stage, or will it revert back to the high? Okay. That does look like it's on high, which is excellent. So the reason that's important is because if I turn on a flashlight and it goes directly to strobe, even if I'm pointing it away from myself, it can actually blind me. So very annoying to have flashlights that actually have a memory to it. I prefer flashlights like this that just always go back to high the very first time you turn it on. So that is excellent. So it has a nice knurling all the way around. We also have a rubber button on the back, and we have a castled top. So the reason this is called a TAC 300 is because it is 300 lumens, but the thing that makes this one stand out for me is just those CR123 batteries. The entire reason I wanted this flashlight is because it would fit these, because I have other equipment that also uses the CR123. I can just keep this with that equipment, and I'll be able to share the batteries between it. And the fact that it also makes this a nice compact flashlight is just kind of a win-win. So overall, that is a very nice flashlight.